Never use coconut oil on face, especially if you have oily skin. 1. Coconut oil can clog pores and cause pimples. 2. It may lead to acne and breakouts, especially on oily skin. 3. Some people may experience redness or allergic reactions. 4. It makes the skin feel greasy and sticky. Don't use any scrub on daily basis. Daily use can damage the skin barrier and cause irritation. It may lead to redness, dryness, or sensitivity. Overexfoliating can make pores appear larger over time. Never use ice cubes directly on your face. Ice can burn or damage the skin if applied directly for too long. Direct ice can burst tiny blood vessels, broken capillaries. It may lead to dryness and flakiness on sensitive skin. Some useful tips are in description. Subscribe for more. Share your best skincare experience in comments.